Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. Halo, apa kabar? My name is Muhammad Ridho Safiqri. I am the student at Management in International Class batch 2016. Now I am recording this video to fulfill my midterm examination in Human Resource Management class. So the question number 1 is, what are the main challenges facing HR managers and specialists in today's rapidly changing work environment? Well, the main challenge facing HR managers are the compliance with laws and regulations, management change, leadership development, adapting to innovation, compensation, adjusting benefits package, recruiting talented employees, retaining talented employees, and workplace in diversity. So, the question number 2 is, you have been asked to prepare some human resource forecasts for commercial service officers, prison officers for the Department of Corrective Services. Well, what factors will affect the demand and supplies of these officers? Well, those factors will affect the demand and supplies are: first, employment trends, replacement needs, productivity, absenteeism, and expansion and growth. Question number 3. Effective recruitment is vital to the success of any organization. Briefly describe how an organization can use recruitment to support its business strategy and objectives. Well, I strongly believe that many organizations have different ways to recruit their employees. And if you ask me how could the organization recruit the employees, first, the applicants of the employees have through the several process, such as the interview, such as focus group discussion, such as filling the link, and so on. So based on those process, we could know how are the applicants are, what kind of applicants are, and if the applicants are suitable for us or not, something like that. And question number 4, critically discuss the advantage and disadvantage of the interview as a selection tool. Well, as I told you before, an interview is one of the selection tools for the recruitment, and an interview has advantage and disadvantage. Advantage of interviews, such as we could know how are the applicants, such as we could know how the public speaking, how could they speak, something like that. And the second is we could push the limit of the cost, so the interview is less cost. And the disadvantage of human resource management of an interview is we could not know what kind of person that the applicant is, because we just have such as 15 minutes until 30 minutes to briefly know what kind of person that we would like to recruit. So those time is not enough for us to decide if their applicant is suitable for us or not. And question number 5, why do organizations carry out exit interview? Yes, exit interview is important to carry out because we as a human resource manager have to know what kind of person our employees after they are quit or get out from the organization, and we have to know what kind of development that they have, and we have to know what kind of improvement that we would like to improve from the quit manager or quit employees side, something like that. And how can the information gathered be used to improve the performance of the human resource function? Yes, we could gather the information to improve our performance, such as performance appraisal, for example. We could know from the performance appraisal what kind of how far our employees goes, and how come and what kind of our employees target is, and is our employees have achieved their target or not, and what kind of job description that our employees have done or not. So, and it is important to be our information as the human resource manager, and it is important to make a review for human resource function itself. And number 6, discuss the role that job analysis plays in the successful implementation of other human resource management policy functions. Well, job analysis is correlated with hiring recruiting, such as identifying key resource area, such as setting selection standards, and identifying key selection area, something like that. So that's all from part A. I hope you satisfied with my answer. And now I would like to answer the part B. In this part, you must answer the following questions related to your activities in the classroom. Well, are you active in asking and answering your friends' questions during their presentations? Yes, I did. I do active in asking and answering my friends' question, such as Arianto's presentation, and then Calvin's presentation, and others' presentation. I do active there. I did active. And mention the topics presented by your friends in the classroom and explain in details of context and benefits the topic presented by your friends in the classroom. Well, I do not remember of all of our friends' presentation, but I have to answer. Mention the topic presented by your friends and explain the details. Well, I do remember the Arianto's presentation, which is Alfonso's presentation, which is about human resource management definition. And from Alfonso's presentation, I know what is the human resource management mean, and what is the aim of management and human resource management. And from Alfonso's presentation as well, I know what kind of topic, what kind of focus that we would like to learn from human resource management. And I also remember the Calvin's presentation is about human capital management, and I do know that human resource management and human capital management is different, and I know what is the difference, and yeah, that's all. And part C. In this part, you must answer the following questions related in your activities in WA at Modo or Mendeley. Video shoot there. Are you active in voice recording to the videos and articles in WhatsApp? Giving comment in Infondo or Mendeley? Why or why not? Yes, I not really. I am active just in Edmodo because I rarely open my WhatsApp account, and I seldom open my WhatsApp account, and that's why I don't often to open and voice record the article in there. But I do active in replying the article in or commenting the article in Edmodo because when I search the internet, I open the Edmodo, so I know what is there any task that we have to do or not, and if there is any activities, if there is any article that we have to reply, I reply it. Mention the title of video and the articles you have video recorded with. Okay, so everybody, that's all about my presentation in midterm examination. I hope you could understand. I hope you could satisfy with my answer, and good luck for us. Thank you very much.